$250 million at Rolex, another $250 million at Tiffany's, $50 million at Cartier, and a paltry $12 million at Chanel. This spending spree wasn't for jewelry and handbags though. These numbers are investments top brands have made on New York City's Fifth Avenue since 2020. Manhattan's most famous retail corridor is undergoing a series of retail renovations, store openings, and real estate deals. While the pandemic and rise of e-commerce has rocked the retail sector, Fifth Avenue's latest transformation is just one example of how big spenders continue to shop brick and mortar. Luxury goods sales were just shy of $70 billion in 2022, and are predicted to jump to $75 billion this year, per JLL. This growth in sales matches an increase in new storefronts, as luxury retailers signed 650,000 square feet of leases last year. The pace has pushed national vacancy in luxury retail down to 4.2%, with new supply at record lows. While JLL found more than half of new store openings last year were in New York City or Los Angeles, brands are also following shoppers to the Sun Belt. After NYC and LA, the most popular locations are Miami, Atlanta, and Las Vegas. Perhaps most strikingly, malls accounted for 38% of luxury store growth last year. What do you make of luxury retail's resurgence? Is it here to stay or just another trend? Learn more about how luxury shoppers are driving retail's real estate expansion in The Real Deal's December issue.